Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making 3 super easy and refreshing watermelon agua frescas that will keep us hydrated all summer long. So if you're ready, let's get started. Because we're going to begin with the most simple watermelon agua fresca. So here I already disinfected my watermelon and we're going to be using a little small one. So just remove the ends. So we can begin to peel it. Okay, once you remove the ends, it'll be easy just to peel around it. And this one smells sweet, so hopefully it is. Because the sweeter the watermelon, the less sugar we have to use. Okay, so once we peel our watermelon, just remove any white spots. And now we can begin to cut into smaller pieces. So like that, it will fit in our blender. Just keep the watermelon and then transfer it to your blender cup. Okay, and I'm going to reserve one slice and cube it into smaller cubes, so like that we can use it to garnish. So just cut it into smaller strips and then into small little cubes. Once we have our watermelon, now we can get ready to blend. Now we're probably going to be doing this in batches because we have a lot of watermelon and we have a little cup. So to that we're also going to be adding 1 lemon. So squeeze the juice. We're going to be adding sugar, of course, depending on how sweet you want your water and how sweet your watermelon is. And with that, we're going to blend with 1 cup of water, since we're going to be doing it in batches. Okay, so now we're going to blend until we have a smooth juice. Okay, so now we're going to transfer it to our jar. Okay, we're just going to strain, but of course, if you don't want to, then you don't have to. Okay, so now we're just going to blend the rest of our watermelon with the other cup of water. So just blend until smooth. Okay. Strain again. Okay, once we have it in a jar, we're going to mix it. Okay, and of course here you're going to taste it and see if you want to add more sugar, but for me this is perfect. And now I'm just going to be adding some mint leaves along with our watermelon. And I like to add the ice before serving. Okay. But just like that, we have our delicious watermelon agua fresca. Alrighty guys, so to make our FreSandia agua fresca, we're going to be using half of a watermelon. To that we're going to add our sugar, 1 lemon. We're going to blend with 1 cup of water. Okay. So blend until smooth. Alrighty, so once done, we're going to transfer it to our pitcher. Okay, to our next batch, we're going to be adding 1 pound of strawberries. Make sure that you disinfect them. And we're going to blend with the other cup of water. And once again, blend until smooth. Alrighty, so once done, we're going to transfer it with our watermelon. So strain if needed. I'm going to be adding a little bit more water. And now we're going to mix. And right here, taste it for sugar and see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect. So I'm just going to be adding fresh strawberries and watermelon. And again, I like to add my ice before serving. And just like that, we have a FreSandia agua fresca. Okay, so for our third agua fresca, we're going to be making a cucumber and watermelon. So we're going to begin by blending the other half of a watermelon. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of water and just begin to blend. Okay, so once it goes down, we're going to be adding half of an English cucumber. We're going to add 1 lemon. And of course, our sugar. And now we're just going to be blending into smooth. Okay, so once done, we can transfer it to our pitcher. Okay, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit more water. Okay, so we're just going to mix it, taste it, and see if you want to adjust it. So just like that, we have our cucumber and watermelon agua fresca. Guys, and once we have our agua frescas, we can now get ready for the fun part. Okay, so we're going to begin with our watermelon agua fresca. Okay, we have our watermelon and strawberry. Okay, we have our cucumber and watermelon with fresh watermelon. Alrighty, and just like that, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
Taste test.
So we are so ready. Let me tell you that whichever agua fresca that you decide to make this summer, I promise you they're gonna keep you refreshed and hydrated. They're super simple to make, and the best part is that they're so good. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the regular one, and I'm gonna be drinking the cucumber. They're all super delicious. So you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers and enjoy. So good. You can taste the cucumber, you can taste the watermelon. It's not too sweet, but of course you get to control that. But for me, this is perfect. Now this is the strawberry one. You want to try that one? And this is the strawberry one. Again, you can taste the strawberries, the watermelon, and it's so refreshing. This is of course you can never go wrong with the authentic and traditional watermelon one.
I like that one.
It's so good. And just try not to keep the mint too long in there if you decide to add it, because you're going to get that taste of the mint. I think just a little bit. It's good, but so delicious. Which is your favorite?
This one.
The
This
regular one?
That one?
The pepino one?
Yeah.
For me, they're all so good. Everybody gets to enjoy them, and they'll be perfect for this summer. So let's go and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make 3 super easy and refreshing watermelon agua frescas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.